Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm trying something new. I've been wanting to try to make some miniature trees for my crawler courses, and that's what I'm working on today. I picked up some of this fake Christmas tree stuff. I think this was meant for making a wreath or something. I got this from the second-hand store. Charged me $5 for the whole bag of it. So something a little bit different I've been wanting to try is I got these springs. And my idea is to use these springs as the trunk of the tree, and then when you add it to your course, you could drive over it, bend the tree down, and then as you go across it, it should pop right back up to where it was. Now I'm not sure if this is a thing or if somebody's already tried this. I have no idea if it's going to work, but it's just an idea I had, and I want to give it a shot, so I thought I'd show you what I'm doing here. So my idea is I got a little bit of this caulking, and I'm going to maybe fill the top third of it with caulking, and then cut some of these off and try to build a little tree on the top of it, and then you can fasten it to the bottom of your base. So that's the idea I have, and I have no idea if it's going to work, but I thought it'd be cool to have some little shrubs that you could drive through and have them bend over and pop right back up. Alright, so let's get started. So I just picked up whatever I could find for springs. They're maybe a little bit different in sizes, but they didn't have a whole lot in stock. And I thought, well, having some different sizes would be a good experiment, see what works better and what doesn't. Yeah, I don't know if it's the nicest looking tree, but maybe not so bad for my first one. I'll maybe set this one aside and start on a second one. Okay, so I got a second tree done here. And it's maybe not the nicest looking tree, but it does kind of bend over and stand back up. I think if you get 4 or 5 of these in a little area next to your 24 scale RC crawler, it might look pretty cool. So I changed how I was doing it a little bit, and I'll show you here. So I'm starting with the spring. Instead of the silicone, I switched to the Elmer's clear glue. Didn't like the white, although I'm running out of it. Alright, so I get a decent length piece. Instead of going through the middle, I just push her through the side like that. Give her a little twist. Alright, let's try the next one. There, and that gives us a nice little secure to the bottom. Just put some glue in here. Little in here on the spring where I can get to. Alright. Now for the top. Make this one a little longer. Go in from the top here on this last piece. Smush her all in. Doesn't look too bad. I think I'll wrap another little piece around there. Let's see here. Put some of the bulk right in here. Oh, I don't think that looks too bad. Is it? What do you guys think? Let's see if I can maybe do another big branch off there, but I really don't want to make it too heavy on the spring because I want it to be able to snap back up. Let's see here. Those are my first two. Let's do one more piece. How's that look? I don't think it's too bad. I'll maybe do a couple dabs of glue in here again. Sure, I think that will do. That's number 3. Alright, so there's all the little trees I got. Lay them out here. Want to give the glue a little bit of time to dry. Now everything I bought cost me like 20 bucks. So I mean, if this doesn't work out that great, I'm not out a whole lot of money. But I think a little shrubbery forest that you can drive through and over this stuff would be kind of neat on a crawler course. Alright, I'm going to let these dry and I'll be back once I can mount them on something. Alright, so I went ahead and just punched some holes in the styrofoam and sunk the bottom of the spring in and used a little bit of silicone to hold it in there. And there's my truck back there for scale. You see here. I'm hoping this will work. I just did this for a test. If it turns out good, I'll maybe build a course, put some of these on. If you guys think you'd like to see a course built with these trees, let me know. Well, managed to rip one of them out. It wasn't quite dry. So that wasn't a good test. Yeah, this caulking is the wrong stuff to use. I just used it because I had it. Hopefully I didn't get any wet stuff on the tires. Let's try that once more. So I guess this is kind of a terrible way to test these, but anyways, you get the idea of what I was going for. I think next time I'll get some bigger springs. I think bigger, stronger springs will help. And like this one's just a little too heavy. I could have used a better glue to hold the base in too. But I don't know. What do you guys think? I'm interested to hear what you guys' opinions are of these type of trees. If this is something you'd like to, like I said, either see me build a crawler course with, or if it's something you think you would like to have on one of your courses. I think I could make them a little bit better, that's for sure. Okay, I think that might have popped out too. Yeah, see that one popped out too. So this one just pulled it out of the bottom. So it looks like I'm going to have to find a way to build a little base to make sure this sticks in. So this glue just wasn't working. But I do think that the actual trees will work. I never used all of them on there. I saved some of the what I thought would be the better ones. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll sink her down farther, or maybe stick a toothpick through it to hold it in so it can't pull out. But yeah, let me know if you want to see me do a crawler course build with some of my bendy trees.